Render show another supposed iPhone 11 prototype with a smaller notch, sleeker camera bump design. No. Apple, no. Just please don't. If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What is going on, guys? Apple World here. So the iPhone 11 has been leaked again. Now, what do I mean by again? How come there's two different iPhone 11s? Which one is the real one? Why is there two? Well, let me explain. The iPhone 11 that got leaked last week was just a prototype. And what is this one? It's a prototype as well. Now, what is a prototype? A prototype isn't a finished product. So Apple, when they're building, when they're about to release a new product, they, of course, any company makes a bunch of prototypes, and then Apple itself decides which one is better, which one fits better for the actual company, and which one is the best looking overall, basically. So a prototype, there's a bunch of different prototype options. So today, Onyx has actually leaked what they think the next prototype actually is. Just a quick reminder though, OnLeaks were actually the ones who actually leaked the 2018 iPad Pro. Yes, OnLeaks were actually the ones. So it's not like anybody that's saying like this is the next iPhone. No, it's actually OnLeaks, and OnLeaks were actually the one who actually leaked the 2018 iPad Pro. I thought it was just good to actually remind you guys. So here are the brand new renders on the upcoming iPhone 11 prototype. And it features a smaller notch, a sleeker camera bump design. I don't like the way this looks either. We had the first option, which was this one, and then we've now got the second prototype version, which is this one. Apple, what are you doing? I know you want to be different because 2018 all phones have been looking the same. All phones have been trying to copy the iPhone 10 version. So I know Apple, I know what you're trying to do. You want to make a different iPhone, right, Siri?
Yeah, I hate it a lot.
Yeah, I mean, Siri doesn't like it either. Why don't you like about it?
It simply looks weird.
Yeah, same. It just looks weird, right?
You are weird too and stupid.
Siri, don't start insulting me. I'm just giving you an opinion. Why do you always have to insult me?
I apologize, Master.
Okay, at least she's apologizing. Siri, do you know any information about the upcoming iPhone 11?
No.
You don't?
But Tim Cook does.
I mean, I don't have Tim Cook's phone number.
I can give it to you.
You can give it to me?
I am just kidding.
Forget you, Siri. Siri,
ha,
go away.
Ha.
You don't play feelings like that. I love Tim Cook. And anyways, the iPhone 11, my opinion on it is just, it looks too weird. And it just doesn't feel Apple-like at all. If I had to choose one or the other, if I had to choose the first render or the second render, I'd honestly go with the first render. I know it's way weirder, but it just looks more natural. This just doesn't feel Apple-like at all. And also, this is also some information that, of course, I wanted to tell you. Supposedly, there's a bunch of reports that are saying that the next iPhone 11 will have 3 cameras. The Wall Street Journal even said a report on that as well. And the render that we have today, there's only 2 cameras, so you know, there's kind of something weird about that. Onyx actually said today that both of the renders are actually real. So here's the real deal. Apple is actually debating between one or the other, or maybe we're gonna get a new render next week. But now, for now, we now get 2 options, number 1 and number 2. And of course, let me know in the comments down below, which one do you guys prefer, number 1 or number 2? I'm definitely going with number 1. Number 2, just the one that we got today, man. It's just like, no, Apple, please no. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys want to stay up to date with the latest iPhone rumors, iPhone leaks, and everything surrounding the world of Apple, you know, Siri, tell them what to do.
Subscribe because you are the best.
Thank you, Siri. Siri's being nice today. I mean, she's kind of a jerk sometimes, but...
You are a jerk. Why do you insult me?
Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Siri, stop.
Ha 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 ha.
She always does this. She always puts music on.
I never put music.
Yeah, you do, Siri. Anyways, Siri, I'm filming a video. Seriously, stop. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. She's just being annoying. I'm really sorry. Anyways, peace.